Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. I am CMA Akula Sridhar and this is Finance MCQ channel. Friends, in this channel we are trying to bring to you all the latest government job updates in finance domain every week. So please like the video and share it with anyone whom you think the video might be useful. So friends, let's begin and go through job updates of this week. First, a reminder friends, for those who have still not applied for these 12 vacancies advertised by the Jute Corporation of India Limited, which is under Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for accountant and the education qualification asked is MCom with advanced accountancy and auditing as a special subject or a BCom degree holder. Friends, the desirable qualification asked is either a chartered accountant, company secretary or a cost and management accountant. So friends, here the upper limit is 30 years. These are permanent vacancies and you need to have 5 years of experience if you are an MCom, while for BCom there is 7 years of experience is stipulated. So friends, your per month pay scale would be 28,600 to 1,15,000 every month. So friends, hurry up, you'll have to apply online latest by 13th January 2022. So friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, just wanted to share that at Finance MCQ we are providing the following courses. That is NHPC Senior Accountant Exam 2021, Bharat Dynamics Limited Management Trainee Finance Exam, UPPCL Assistant Accountant Exam 2021, MGVCL Deputy Superintendent Accounts Exam 2021, NTPC Assistant Officer Finance Exam. Friends, we are also providing courses on AIC India Limited Management Trainee Accounts Exam 2022, NHIA Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts Exam 2021, KIOCL Executive Trainee Finance Exam 2021 and SEBI Officer Grade A Exam 2022. So friends, if you applied for any of these exams, you can go and practice for your exam on Finance MCQ website. The link is given in the description box below, and we'll continue to add some more finance related courses in the future as well. Moving on, friends, next vacancy which is expiring this week is again from the Jute Corporation of India Limited for the recruitment of 11 vacancies of junior assistant. So friends, education qualification here is graduation and typing speed of 40 words per minute in English. So friends, here again the upper limit is 30 years. These are again permanent vacancies and experience is asked in using computers, basically MS Word and Excel. So friends, pay scale would be 21,500 to 86,500 every month. So friends, again you'll have to apply online latest by 13th January 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Employees State Insurance Corporation, which is under Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. So friends, this vacancy is again expiring this week. Here the last date is 15th February 2022. So friends, here the recruitment is for upper divisional clerk and the education qualification asked is degree from a recognized university and working knowledge of computers including use of office suites and databases. So friends, the upper limit is 27 years. These are permanent vacancies and freshers are eligible to apply. And friends, you will get a package of 6 lakhs per annum. Moving on, friends, next big vacancy which is expiring this week is by UPSC, which is conducting the Combined Defence Services Examination for joining the Indian Army. So friends, here the education qualification is graduation and there are total 100 vacancies at Indian Military Academy and 187 vacancies. Out of that, 170 vacancies is for men and 17 vacancies is for women at Officers Training Academy. So friends, the age limit is those born between 2nd January 1999 to 1st January 2004 are eligible to apply for the Indian Military Academy vacancies, while those who are born between 2nd January 1998 to 1st January 2004 are eligible to apply for the Officers Training Academy vacancies. So friends, these are permanent vacancies and you'll get a handsome package of 14 lakhs per annum. So friends, hurry up, the last date is 11th January 2022. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from the Securities and Exchange Board of India, which is under Ministry of Finance, Government of India. So friends, here there is the recruitment of 80 vacancies of Officer Grade A, Assistant Manager under General Stream. So friends, in fact, we have made a separate video in detail for this recruitment. So friends, here the education qualification asked is master's degree in any discipline, bachelor's degree in law, bachelor's degree in engineering from a recognized university or a CA, CFA, CS or CMA. So friends, the upper limit is 30 years. These are permanent vacancies and freshers are eligible to apply. And as far as salary is considered, you will get 1,15,000 per month without accommodation and rupees 80,500 with accommodation. So friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 24th January 2022. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization in the legal stream. So friends, here there are total 16 vacancies and the education qualification asked is bachelor's degree in law from a recognized university or institute. So friends, the upper limit here is 30 years. These are permanent vacancies and again freshers are eligible to apply. Friends, the gross salary, mode of application and last date is same as shown in the previous slide. Moving on, friends, next vacancy again from the same organization, that is SEBI. Here the recruitment is under research stream. So friends, here the education qualification asked is master's degree in statistics, economics, commerce, business administration, finance or econometrics from a recognized university or institute. So friends, here again the upper limit is 30 years. Here there are total 7 vacancies, all are permanent, and in all cases freshers are eligible to apply. So friends, the last date would be 24 January 2022. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from the Office of the Chief Advisor Cost for the recruitment of a Group A Gazetted Officer post, that is Assistant Director Cost. So friends, here the education qualification asked is Chartered Accountant or a Cost and Management Accountant, and desirable is a graduation. So friends, the upper limit is 35 years. There are total 16 vacancies on all India transfer basis. All are permanent vacancies and there is no compulsory experience. However, the desirable experience asked is 3 years in cost accounting work. So friends, you will get a package of 11 lakhs per annum. So friends, you will have to apply online latest by 27 January 2022. Friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link to view them in detail is given in the description box below. So you can click there and view your vacancies. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from Troop Comforts Limited, which is under Ministry of Defence, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for one vacancy of Company Secretary at Kanpur. So friends, the education qualification is Company Secretary, while the preference will be given to candidates with background of MCOM, CA Inter or CMA Inter. So friends, here the upper limit is 35 years. This is a permanent vacancy, friends, and you need to have 5 years of experience to be eligible to apply for this vacancy. You will get a package of 12.50 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply offline to Troops Comfort Limited latest by 17 January 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Uttar Pradesh Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited for the recruitment of 21 vacancies of Assistant Accountant at Uttar Pradesh. So friends, the education qualification asked is Bachelor's degree in Commerce and the upper limit is 40 years. So friends, these are permanent vacancies and freshers are eligible to apply. So friends, here your initial basic pay will be 29,800 and after addition of DA, TPT, TPT-DA, HRA and other perks and allowances, your package will be around 6 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply online between 28 January 2022 to 27 February 2022. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from National Institute of Technology, Nagaland for the recruitment of one vacancy of Assistant Registrar at Nagaland. So friends, the educational qualification and experience asked is master's degree in any discipline with at least 55% marks or employee serving as superintendent or private secretary for 2 years on grade pay of rupees 5,400 or for 5 years in the grade pay of rupees 4,800 with master's degree. Friends, the desirable education qualification asked is either a CA or CMA. So friends, that means if you have a master's degree in any discipline with at least 55%, you are eligible to apply for this vacancy where you will be getting a package of 11 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply offline to the organization latest by 23rd February 2022. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from State Bank of India for the recruitment of 2 vacancies of Chief Manager, Company Secretary at Mumbai. So friends, here the basic education qualification asked is Company Secretary. However, the desirable qualification is LLB, CA, CMA or FRM. So friends, the upper limit is 45 years. These are permanent vacancies, but you need to have 7 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. And as far as your salary is considered, you will be in the pay scale of 76,010 rupees to 89,890 rupees every month. So friends, you'll have to apply online to SBI latest by 13 January 2022. Moving on, friends, next vacancy again from the same organization, that is SBI for the recruitment of 3 vacancies of Deputy Manager Chartered Accountant. So friends, the education qualification asked is CA, preferably who have passed the exam in first attempt. So friends, the upper age limit is 35 years. These are permanent vacancies and you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. And your per month pay scale would be 48,170 to 69,810 rupees every month. So friends, you'll have to apply online to SBI latest by 13 January 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Shyamlal College, Evening for the recruitment of 1 vacancy of assistant at New Delhi. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation and the upper age limit is 30 years. So friends, it's a permanent vacancy and you don't need even experience to be eligible to apply for this vacancy. And you get a package of 5 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply offline to the college latest by 18 January 2022. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from Currency Note Press, which is a unit of Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, a Mini Ratna company. So friends, here the recruitment is for 6 vacancies of Junior Office Assistant at Nashik. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation with minimum 55% marks along with English typing speed of 40 words per minute or Hindi typing speed of 30 words per minute. So friends, the upper limit is 28 years. These are permanent vacancies and you don't need any experience to apply for this vacancy. Your per month pay scale would be 21,540 to 77,160 rupees. So friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 25th January 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Ramlal Anand College, which is under University of Delhi. So friends, here the recruitment is for one vacancy of senior assistant at New Delhi. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation or a post graduation. So friends, the upper limit is 30 years. This is a permanent vacancy and freshers are eligible to apply. Friends, the package you will get is 6.80 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply online to the college latest by 24 January 2022. Friends, next vacancy again from the same college, that is Ramlal Anand College, which is under University of Delhi. So friends, here the recruitment is for 5 vacancies of assistant. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation. The upper limit is 30 years. So friends, these are again permanent and all cases freshers are eligible to apply. So friends, the package would be 5 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 24 January 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Cantonment Board Committee for the recruitment of one vacancy of junior clerk at Committee, which is at Nagpur. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation and possessing the government commercial certificate or computer typing certificate of 30 words per minute Marathi or Hindi or 40 words per minute in English. So friends, here the upper age limit is 30 years. This is a permanent vacancy and you don't need to have any experience to apply for this vacancy, and your per month pay scale would be between 29,200 to 92,300. So friends, you'll have to apply offline to the Cantonment Board latest by 9th February 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Shyamlal Anand College, which is again under University of Delhi. So friends, here the recruitment is for one vacancy of senior assistant and one vacancy of assistant. Friends, the education qualification for senior assistant is graduation or post graduation, while a graduation degree is sufficient to apply for assistant vacancy. So friends, the upper limit is 30 years. These are permanent vacancies and freshers are eligible to apply. So friends, the package would be 6.80 lakhs in case of senior assistant and 5 lakhs per annum in case of assistant. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 28th January 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from AIMS Rishikesh for the recruitment of one vacancy of junior accounts cum administrative officer at Rishikesh. So friends, the education qualification asked is BCom. They have not mentioned any upper age limit, but friends, this is a contractual vacancy and you need to have experience between 3 to 5 years to be eligible to apply for this vacancy. And friends, your salary would be according to the guidelines of the project sanctioning agency, your experience and your qualification. So friends, to apply here, you'll have to mail to researchcardiology00@gmail.com latest by 10th January 2022 by 2 p.m. So that's all for this week, friends. I hope the video was useful. See you all next week with some more updates. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.